Welcome back, explorers, and today I'm going to show you my top IKEA picks. So first you have our pot holders and oven mitts. Now I have these and they have been lasting me for a very long time, and they're super affordable. They start at around $3.99, and for the pot holders you get two and you get one oven mitt, which I don't think you can beat that price anywhere else. Next, we have aprons. Now, when it comes to IKEA aprons, like I love the patterns, and the prices are not that bad. I think the prices range from like $7.99 to $14.99, and like as I said, they have so many patterns to choose from, and they even have these cute little Christmas ones as well for the children. So this is for the ones who like baking and you make messes, or if you just like to look all fancy when cooking, then girl, get your apron. Next, we're gonna get into these cutting boards. Like, what store has a whole wall full of cutting boards? I'll wait. None. As you see here, IKEA has a ton of cutting boards to choose from. You have your wooden cutting boards, and you see this cutting board with the slits in it. You have your non-wooden cutting boards, the bamboo cutting boards. Whatever you can think of, I'm pretty sure they have it here. Are you tired of running through those plastic bags like tissue and water? Well, IKEA has you covered with nice, hefty, durable bags for a fraction of the price that you would pay in a regular store. Here we have the cooking utensils. Now, when it comes to cooking utensils, as you see here, IKEA has any utensil you can probably think of, which is like a quesadilla picker-upper or a pizza picker-upper, a taco grabber, or a spaghetti scoop, whatever you can probably think of, they probably have it here. And as I always say, at a pretty affordable price as well. Next, we're going to have the standard dish drying mats. Now, I know some of you may be saying, why is she choosing a mat instead of a rack? Well, when you're in college or you're moving into your first small apartment, you can only use this drying mat when needed, and you can put it back up into a drawer and get it out when you do dishes next. Now we have the dish scrubbing brushes, and this item pretty much speaks for itself, and it's available for about $1. So there you go. Here you see your dinner utensils. I think IKEA has some of the best prices when it comes to forks, spoons, and knives. Have the coffee French press, and they also have good frothers as well. They just happen to be out of stock. I love the stackable coffee mugs as well. They're like so adorable. I'm sure you didn't see this one coming, but yes, the nice wine glasses. If you're looking for that nice luxury look, but you only want to spend a fraction of the price, then you need to be over in this section. And just take a second to look at these nice luxurious selections. Like, you can't tell your rich friend that you paid $9.99 for these. Like, come on now. Next, this was a really great find, which is the bamboo decorations in the bathroom. I actually ended up purchasing these myself. 10 out of 10, I do recommend. Now, of course, if you're not into the bamboo look right now, they have glossy finishes and matte finishes, and they have tons of different colors to choose from when it comes to decorating your bathroom. Next item I want to recommend is a shower curtain. Like, look at all the patterns they have. Next, we have the standard bathroom mats, and I think these mats range all the way up from $1.99 until like $14.99. This next find I was not aware of. I did not know that Ikea actually had like robes and slippers, and they actually don't look that bad. Next on the list, we're gonna have one of my favorite buys, which is I think it's pronounced the Hilda curtains. They're like $12.99. So if you're looking for that luxurious curtain look, I think the Hilda curtains would be a great try. Next, we have the under the bed storage cases. These storage cases come in handy when you're trying to store books, comforters, clothes, anything, you name it. Last but certainly not least, because I have a ton of these, the picture frames. Well guys, that just about wraps up this video. Please let me know if you like videos like these down in the comments, or if there's anything else at Ikea that you can recommend that I might have missed. Until next time.